So this was an ad hoc video that I'm making. It is because I just found out that in Gurgaon there is a new cycling track that was inaugurated, I think day before yesterday, on the Gandhi Jayanti. So I came here. It starts from Huda City Center and it's a 5-kilometer stretch
Resuming
to
right.
Chowk and back. So I'm just standing in front of it. I'll just give you a view of it, how it is. So here it is, how it looks like. So we'll just go inside and see the track.
Pausing
I'm
right.
hoping that no motorbikes or any other motor vehicles are allowed inside. So एक बार जाके देखते हैं how is it. So that is the reason I wanted to make this video. But yeah, I thought this would be very informative for many of you. Cheers. And it looks amazing and awesome. So I am very happy today to find this track, and that is the reason why I came here. So I came there from that side. So this is the Huda City Center. This is Huda City Center only. So here the metro ends, and then we have the track on the left side of the road. So basically you can come to this road and then there's a cut inside to this road. Left side mein you have New Times, Max Home. So this is the road that is coming from Huda City Center to Subhash Chowk. So it's awesome. There is a cut to this road. Basically they made it parallel. तो यहाँ पे एक सिग्नल है. ये सिग्नल से अंदर आने के लिए एक छोटी सी सड़क, एंड देन so थोड़ा व्हीकल का एंट्री है यहाँ पे, बट द ट्रैक इज थोड़ा सा. So the track is quite empty and you don't see any vehicles out here. We'll go across the entire route and see both the to and fro. This would be my hangout place quite often now. Lights are not there, so I'm doubting if we can come here at night, but that's okay. You can come during the summers as well. I think sunlight will not penetrate the greenery, the trees, and it's kind of windy. It's good. You can come for running as well. I don't know if that is allowed, but I'd prefer people not to run here. There are a lot of places where people can run, but place where you can go on bikes. This is the first one of its kind, I guess, in Gurgaon. There may be others, but none that I'm aware of. And this is awesome. When you cross the signals, you need to cross the road, and that is where you will get a bit of traffic. Otherwise, it is perfectly fine. So this is the Bharat Petroleum, that is just few 100 meters from the Subhas Chowk. So I think this is the road, but vehicles have occupied this road, not sure why. Here, this is the Subhas Chowk. It's kind of good that the government has spent a lot of money on this road and a thought as well, but it's very very disappointing that people have started using it as a service road instead of a cycling track. So this is something that you cannot teach or force people to abide by, but this is how
Resuming right.
things are here. So I would request the government to put in some measure in place so that this road can be used by the cyclist only. I mean, it's no use if you create another service road, it will only create chaos and it doesn't serve the purpose. So there were few entry gates, blockers near the start of the road, but as and when we came near to the Subhas Chowk, they disappeared, and people like these are actually traveling with their vehicles. I mean, very very disappointing. So police is even standing here, but still people are coming here and without any shame. Anyways, with time I think things will improve. At least we have a track, that is the good part. And then one day if there are proper measures enforced, probably this would be a better place for all the cyclists. So this is not yet ready. I would still prefer to ride on the golf course road, because this road is more dangerous than the golf course road, because this is smaller in size, less distance, plus a lot of traffic. People have started using it as a service road. So I hope you found this video a bit informative. So there was no plan as such to record today, but I saw this in the news today, and then I thought of exploring this road myself, so I came here. So this is how the road is. So that's it for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.